What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to place an order in Bank Nifty future, and we will see that whether our strategy works or not. So let's see that I have seen my prediction is that Bank Nifty will go down. So I would like to sell it, and at what price I want to sell it? I want to sell it at 485. Okay, let's see. We will wait to come it nearby 485, and as I have seen that banks are going downside, so we have to see when it will come nearby that. I will place this order. Okay, it is 480, 479. Okay, it's a limit order guys, so when it will go nearby 485 it will be automatically executed. So let's make it confirm. Okay, and yeah, it's 80, this 482, 480. Still my order is not executed, still we have to wait to reach it at 485. Yeah, 22 480, wait till it go 84, 80, 85. Yeah guys, order is executed. Okay, my order has been executed. As we can see here, we are going in loss because I sold it at 480, 490. I placed it at 485, and now it is at 495. So it's increasing. When it will increase I will get loss, and when it will fall I will get profit. Okay, so it's now increasing, so I am getting losses. So let's go to the uh, Upstocks platform, where it will be easy to explain. Okay, we can see here in Bank Nifty future September, we can see here what's the price. This is 497 and my selling price is 485. As per our strategy, we have to follow the same strategy for 2500 of stop loss. That means the risk is for 2500, and profit which we want to take from 50 to 60, not that from 40 to 60 points. Okay, so let's see. Now market is going downside, and so from 485 to 40 points down, then means 30, and 445, that means 40 points. Okay, 445, so we will get it to 50. So yeah guys, 40 point is enough. So 445, when it will come nearby 445. Okay, let me place the order here. Okay, I would like to buy it at 445. Okay, I have set the order. Yes, it came actually nearby 470, nearby 65 or something, but for taking 40 points profit we have to wait for 445. When it will reach at 445, we will complete 40 points, and we will get profit of almost 1000 rupees. So target 40 points. 40 multiplied by 25. Stop loss 22 585. That is almost 100 points. And when our stop loss is hitting, then we will get losses of almost 2500 rupees. In yesterday's video we saw the same thing, that we easily got 60 point and 50 point profit. Okay, all these videos are about hypothetical and experimental also, we can say. Through this way you can literally get good profit, and you can stay in continuously running market, because most of the people, those who are greedy, they try to get lots of profit with small stop loss, and they get losses. So guys, this is a not this market is not for the greedy people, those who don't want to take more risk, and suddenly they want to get high profit. But if you want to put about 2500 of risk, and with small targets, then consistently you will get profit with low probability of getting loss. So let's see that market is touching 2245 or not. Okay guys, we can see that it's going downside. Let's see the graph chart. Here we can see the figures. Okay, it's 72. In banks we can see, in banks, all banks are falling. So even more than 40 points you can get from this market today. And as we have a small target like 40 points, but after 3 o'clock, or not 3 o'clock, after 2:50, the market would go nearby 22,600 22,300 rupees, you can see here. But when I will get my target, when I will achieve my target, I will leave the market. Okay, now it's going downward. 2256, 445 is our target. 457, only 12 or 15 points away from our target, 20 points away from our target. 25 points away from our target. 62, 460, 457, 55. Only guys 10 points away from our target. Now 20 points away from our target. Market is very volatile, as we can see here. 15 points away. Yeah guys, 15 points away. 10 points away from our target. 8 points away from our target. Yeah, 1.2 point. Yeah, executed. So you can see that how we easily get 1000 rupees profit. Okay, so guys, in Astha for high margin if you want to prefer for future in both in Bank Nifty future and Nifty 50 future, then you can prefer Astha Trading. And if you want to open account, then go through my link. That will be beneficial for me as well as for you. So thank you so much for giving your valuable time, and please like and share the video, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.